Our shepherd's pie will take the taste of your leftover turkey to scrumptious new heights. Melt butter in a skillet and add diced onion, bell pepper, and garlic. Cook the vegetables until the onion is tender and translucent. Add the shredded turkey, crushed tomatoes, and hot sauce. Cook, stirring occasionally until the turkey is heated through. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Then stir in the Italian seasoning and fresh basil. Transfer the turkey mixture to a baking dish. Spread leftover mashed potatoes over the turkey mixture with a spatula. Top with shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Bake your leftover turkey shepherd's pie for 30 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley and bring it to the table hot and ready for your family to gobble up.